no registration. There is no joining fee, no monthly fee, and the best is wala pong quota. When we say quota, you are not forced to purchase, to raise a point value, a certain point value. When I say no, for you are not forced, you can raise PB at your convenient time. Kung kailan nyo po gusto. Okay? Hindi po kayo minamadali ng company, hindi kayo pinipwersa. Unlike other companies, when you join, meron ng package, meron ng babayaran, bibigyan ka ng product, and then you need to raise a certain amount every month. Yun pong ibang company yon. But in Atomy, it doesn't matter. Okay? And then, whoever, how many ang ma-join po sa group nyo, it's unlimited. Unlimited ang accumulation. Lahat ng points pwedeng pumasok. And yung line nyo po, kahit ilan. Unlimited levels po yung sa baba. Sir, pwede bang mag-recruit ako ng 1,000 people under me? Yes. Gawin mo ng 2,000. Gawin mo ng 3,000. Walang problema. Unlimited po tayo. Here in the Philippines and abroad. Global po tayo eh. And then, we have an income ceiling. The highest general commission that you can receive is 60,000 a day. And pwede ba man tumaas nun? And all other mastership bonus. Pero wala na po, hindi po pwedeng maging 70,000 a day. It's only 60,000 a day. That's why, palagi natin sinasabi, meron man nauna sa atin, nauna lang sila. Pero papunta lahat tayo doon. Kasi, pag naabot na nila yung pinakamataas na income, wala na po tataas doon, maghihintay na doon sila sa taas. Tayo na po ang susunod papunta noon. Okay? So, we will see each other there. We are global. We are in 27 countries. I don't get the reason why yung iba natatakot. Especially foreign kababayan natin nasa ibang bansa. Takot na takot silang mag-join kasi di daw nila kayang ibigay yung social security number nila. Samantalang 16 million members ang Atomy. 16 million members globally. But yung 16 million hindi natakot? 16 million hindi natakot mag-register sa Atomy. I haven't heard any hacking issue on the website. Wala pa pong issue ang website na na-hack or yung account ninyo. Yung privacy, yung account, yung mga name natin, yung date of birth, hindi pa po na-hack ang website. At saka ano naman makukuha sa birthday? Ano na naman makukuha sa address? Wala naman pong account number, wala naman pong pera doon. Yung date of birth, wala naman pong ano doon eh. Ewan ko lang, bakit takot na takot yung TIN number, takot na mag-register using the TIN. Number lang naman yun na nagbabayad tayo ng tax. Siguro natatakot sila ma-discover na during their time, hindi sila nagbabayad ng tax. It doesn't matter kasi company po yan, hindi naman inaano ng pinakikailaman ng company yung other businesses natin. Atomy lang. Okay, so when you sign up, when you sign up, you must be 18 years old. There are two categories. You can be a consumer. Pwede ka pong mag-sign up for purposes of buying the product as a consumer. No problem about that. So, pwede kang bumili, consumer ka, to enjoy member's price. But the problem with the consumer is you cannot receive a commission. Member ka, you can buy the products. For the meantime, wala po munang commission, but you can get the personal PB. Yung personal PB, you will have that, but when in the event that you will be receiving a commission, you need to transfer from consumer to distributor. That's the time you need to submit your TIN and other IDs na proving na ikaw ngayon, of course, sasabit ka ng bank account at saka yung sasabit mo na po yung TIN number or kung meron kang TIN card or any ID appearing, the TIN number is appearing dun sa ID na yon. Okay. So, let's go to the compensation plan proper. Okay? So, when you buy, pag Ma'am Cheryl, okay? kung kunwari po, bumibili po kayo sa Atomy, yung pong ID nyo nagkakaroon ng points. Kapag meron po kayong sinabihan ng mga friends ninyo under you, nagkakaroon din sila ng points. Kapag in-account ng website yan, yung points ng mga tao sa baba ninyo, group points po yun. Pag itatali ng website, ng system, magiging group points, yung points nyo po, personal points nyo yon. Ngayon, kung meron kayong 10,000 points, dapat po initially meron kayong 10,000 points. Bakit? Hindi nyo po makikita, hindi nyo ma-accumulate yung mga points sa baba kapag wala kayong 10,000. Kailangan mauna kayong may 10,000 points. And, kunwari, bumili yung mga nasa baba ninyo, umabot ng 300,000 points yung sa left at saka sa right. Kung wala po kayong 10,000 points, wala po kayong commission. Hindi nyo makikita yung mga points sa baba. Pero kung nauna na kayong may 10,000, and then merong 300,000 points sa left, group points, may 300,000 group points sa right, you will receive 800 pesos. Okay? Deposited to your ATM, PNB or BDO. Now, second level, kapag may 300,000 points po kayo, personal points, and if it happens again na merong group points sa left 300 sa right, more or less 2,400. Ayan. So kung may 2,004 na kayo, may 800 kayo before, and that's equivalent to 3,2. O konti na lang, pwede nang pambili ng Hemohim. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Then, next level, if you have 700,000 personal points at yung grupo nyo sa baba, grupo nyo sa left and right, nagkaroon ng 700,000 points, you will receive 5,000 pesos. O yun, pwede nang pambili ng Hemohim, yung 5,000. So, parang libre na. So, na-inform nyo po yung mga friends ninyo, bumili sila here and abroad, outside the country, merong Atomy, they can be counted points even they are outside the country and they are Atomy members. So you will receive 5,000. Next, and this will be the last, if you have 2.4 million points, this will be the ceiling personal PB. You need not to buy more, or the rule is in 1 year, dadagdagan mo na lang ng konti yung personal PB mo. Don't let this happen. Na straight 1 year, wala pong nadagdag sa personal points nyo, madi-deactivate yung account nyo. Okay? So kapag inaabot nyo na yung 2.4 million points, if this happens, merong 50 million group points sa baba, sa left, 50 million group points sa right, you will receive 60,000 pesos. Yung pong 800, yung 2.4, it could happen daily, monthly, depending on the points. So every day na may points na nag-match, you will get the commission. Every month, magkaroon ng match, you will get. Every quarter, kung meron pong nag-match na every quarter, meron kayong commission. Pero kung nag-match po yun, after a year, o after a year, meron kayong commission. So every time nagmamatch, you always get the commission. That's what we call general commission. Okay, let's talk about the bonus. Kung magkataon naman po, within 15 days, nagkataon na 15 days, may pumasok na 2.5 million points sa left, 2.5 million group points sa right. At this point in time, you have 700,000 PB, you will receive more or less 40,000 to your ATM. And then the company will give you, ito, isa pa to. Libre na kayo ng Hemohim dito when you become a sales master. So kung meron pong group points sa left, 2.5, group points sa right, 2.5, and your personal PB at this point in time, you have 700,000, you will receive a free Hemohim. O yan, nalibre na yung Hemohim. Isang The Fame and Evening Care Set. Kaya libre po yan. Next level, if you have 2 sales masters, left and right, and then you have 1.5 million points, okay, yung personal points mo, you will be promoted to Diamond Master. You will receive again the 3 products, and added to that is yung laptop. Okay? Next, if there are 2 Diamond Masters on your left and right, you will be promoted to Sharon Rose Master. At this point in time, your personal PB should be 2.4. Okay? Wala na pong tataas dyan sa 2.4. Yan yung pinakalas. The company will give you 80,000 pesos and 2 travel tickets. Okay? For 3 nights and 4 days. You will be promoted to Sharon Rose Master. Ngayon, nung kataon naman po, merong dalawang Sharon Rose sa left, may dalawang Sharon Rose sa right, you will be promoted to Star Master. And then you will be receiving 400,000 pesos and 4 travel tickets for 3 days, 3 nights, and 4 days. I think this will be in the US. Okay? So, meron po, we have a Star Master here, Ma'am Catherine. Okay? She already enjoyed the Star Master tour. Next, if there will be 2 Star Master on the left and on the right, you will be promoted to Royal Master. Now, Royal Master will receive 2 million cash award, 4 travel tickets, 10 nights and 11 days. And then 80,000 sponsorship activity fee per month, 80,000, and then car rental fee. Okay? Company will be paying for that. So you will be promoted to Royal Master. Next, if there are 2 Royal Master sa baba, left and right, you will be promoted to Crown Master. What will a Crown Master receive? 12 million pesos, 4 travel tickets for 10 nights and 11 days, a luxury car worth 2.5 million, vehicle payment, and 200,000 pesos per month for sponsorship activity fee. Okay? Then last, will be last but not the least, okay, ito na po yung pinaka ano. If there are 2 Crown Master on the left, 2 Crown Master on the right, you will be promoted to Imperial Master. Ito po yung, this is our long-term goal. Someday, we hope we can reach that Imperial Master. An Imperial Master will receive 40 million pesos cash award, 4 travel tickets for 10 nights and 11 days, a full-size vehicle, okay, paid by the company, 400,000 pesos per month, sponsorship activity, okay, a full-size vehicle with driver. Wow. And an office with secretary given by the company. Okay? Yung pong Imperial Master. Okay, grand total, how much the company pays in all bonuses? Doon po sa Sharon Rose Master, 80,000. Star Master, 400. Royal Master. Mga cash lang po ito, no? Mga giveaway na cash. Iba pa po yung araw-araw na pumapasok na naman na General Commission. So, and then Mastership bonus din. Ito yung mga giveaway lang na ano. 80,000, 400,000, 2 million, 12 million, and 40 million. All in all, grand total promotion bonus is 54,480,000. Sometimes it's too good to be true, as they say. Marami nagsasabi, parang nakakalula. Totoo ba yan? Totoo po yan. Kaya po maraming nagiging crazy sa Atom eh. Kasi meron na po nakatanggap niyan eh. Kaya maraming nag-aasam yan. Okay? So, and we have the secret of in doing Atomy is just follow the education system. Meron po mga bagay na hindi tayo alam. That's why we attend seminars, regional seminars. We have this webinar like this today, Monday. We have Success Academy, which will be happening on this November sa Cebu po yan. And the last this year will be in December sa Batangas. Okay? So then we have one-day seminar in PUC. This is free. We have a one-day seminar in Cagayan de Oro. So this coming, I think, 29, November 29 in Cagayan de Oro. So one-day seminar, that's for free. And aside from the pickup center in Quezon City, that's free also. Okay? So yun lang po. Now, last October 25 and 26, we had this workshop. Why do we do workshop? To encourage leaders. You know, when you're doing anatomy, sometimes your motivation level comes up and down, di ba? Good for you if your motivation level is always high. But sometimes, minsan, there are frustrations.